Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. In slope-intercept form, the y and the x are the values that create the line. They are the ordered pair x comma y. X is our independent variable, and y is the dependent variable. When we pick a value for x, then y will be forced to be something. When we are working at creating our slope-intercept form, we're going to need to replace the m and the b. The x and y will stay. The m is our slope, or the rate of change, while the b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So we have the y-axis, in this case in green, and we see our blue line intersects at 1. So this is the y-intercept. This is the point 0, 1. So our y-intercept is 1. It's the y value when x is 0. X is 0 on the y-axis. The slope is based on the change. So we find 2 points. We can use this point. That's where we can easily identify what is the x value and the y value. It is -2 and 4. And we don't like this point. It's somewhere between 2 and 3, but we can't tell. So we could actually use our y-intercept as our second point. We've already established it is 0, 1. So our slope is the change in y over the change in x. So that's the same as saying y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We're finding the difference between these 2 points. So we are going down from our first point. We went from 4 down to 1. So we're actually going down 3. And then we are going over from -2 to 0, which means we're going over a +2. Our slope is a -3/2. So this graph is shown in slope-intercept form as y equals m is -3/2, x plus b, b is 1. Y equals a -3/2 x plus 1 is the equation that will give you this blue line.